Certain of the largest touring bikes may be too enormous and scary for novice motorcycle riders. Beginner riders can still purchase a touring bike and go on lengthy excursions though. They have to work their way up to those enormous touring machines instead. They can practice and build confidence by starting smaller, lighter, and with less force. They can then upgrade to a bigger, more potent motorcycle when they're ready. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are talking about the top 5 touring bikes for beginners. Number 5. Kawasaki Versys X300. Though the Versys is still relatively new to the touring scene, its distinct features have had a big impact on the market. The bike combines aspects of adventure, touring, dual sports, standards, and sport bikes into a versatile platform that begs to be called a jack of all trades. Because it is smaller and specifically optimized for the Versys, novices need not worry about the engine outperforming them. The high seat height on this bike is one of its drawbacks. Shorter riders will want assistance getting this bike's feet on the ground. The Kawasaki Versys X300 is equipped with a 296 liquid-cooled, parallel twin DOHC engine, delivering a robust performance with 39 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque. Weighing in at 386 pounds when wet, this motorcycle strikes a balance between power and agility, making it an excellent choice for both urban commuting and adventure touring. Its starting price is $6,199. Number 4. CF Moto 650 Adventura. There will be a new motorbike power player in this decade. China has advanced significantly in the sector, and CF Moto may be the most successful company there. Additionally, CF Moto has taken a stab at the ADV touring market with the launch of the 650 Adventura. Is it, however, superior to its more experienced rivals? Only time will tell, but based on what we've seen so far, the Adventura appears to be a well-suited touring motorcycle for novices. It's a middleweight, reasonably priced bike with adjustable windshield, hard panniers, and a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. It's also comfortable for prolonged rides. This is the ideal motorcycle for self-training on extended weekends away with friends or when commuting. The CF Moto 650 Adventura features a 649 liquid-cooled parallel twin DOHC engine, generating 60 horsepower and 41 pound-feet of torque. With a wet weight of 480 pounds, this motorcycle is designed for adventure riding, offering a blend of power, torque, and stability suitable for various road and off-road conditions. Its starting price is $6,800. Number 3. Benelli TRK 502X. Another Chinese manufacturer prepared to take on the beginner rider market is Benelli, a recently acquired Italian brand by a Chinese business. Furthermore, the bikes are still designed in Italy even though they are manufactured in China. Among those motorcycles is the TRK 502X, which has BMW in its sights if the CF Moto Adventura is after the Triumph Tiger. It is a road-biased touring motorbike that is comfortable and sophisticated, with features reminiscent of the Adventura. Furthermore, despite the larger engine of the CF Moto bike, the Benelli is lighter and more maneuverable. Ultimately, though, appearance may be the deciding factor between these two motorcycles. Additionally, Benelli might be the best option for more experienced riders seeking a hint of Italian flair. The Benelli TRK 502X is powered by a 500 liquid-cooled parallel twin DOHC engine, delivering 47 horsepower and 34 pound-feet of torque. Weighing 470 pounds when wet, this adventure motorcycle is designed to offer a balanced mix of power, maneuverability, and off-road capability, making it suitable for both on-road touring and light off-road adventures. Its starting price is $7,099. Number 2. Honda CB500X. Honda's business is to entice new riders to become part of the motorcycling community. They have so created a number of really popular entry-level motorcycles throughout their many years in the business. For novice riders acquainted with Honda and their hospitable image, The CB500X is an ideal option to embark on their journey as motorcyclists. The CB500X isn't particularly thrilling or unique, and that's exactly the goal. It's not there to punish you if your throttle hand strays. Rather, it's intended to educate you how to ride for longer periods of time, much like the ideal coach. When the inevitable downpour suddenly strikes, the anti-lock brakes will come to your rescue. Its small weight and lightweight design provide a fun ride on any street. The Honda CB500X is equipped with a 471 liquid-cooled parallel twin DOHC engine, providing 47 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque. With a wet weight of 439 pounds, this adventure-oriented motorcycle strikes a balance between performance and agility, making it well-suited for both city commuting and long-distance touring. Its versatile nature and manageable size appeal to riders looking for a capable all-around motorcycle. Its starting price is $7,199. Number 1. Triumph Tiger 660. Designed specifically for novices who adore the appearance and feel of Triumph's triple hotshot, the Trident, but require something more useful for longer rides. This sports roadster is built to last. Although it's smaller than most, not all novices can declare with certainty that they're prepared to purchase a larger touring motorcycle. Without purchasing a bike as scary as the BMW R1250 GS, novices may dabble in traveling with the Triumph Tiger 660. The bike appears sleek and sporty when the baggage is removed, ready for a day of riding through the city or around curves. Your bike is now prepared for a long-distance ride when you add the luggage. If you enjoy touring, there are plenty of other options available, such heated grips and extra illumination. The Triumph Tiger 660 is powered by a 660 liquid-cooled 240 degrees inline 3 DOHC engine, delivering 80 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque. Weighing 455 pounds when wet, this motorcycle blends robust performance with agility, making it well-suited for both adventurous off-road exploration and comfortable long-distance touring on various terrains. Its starting price is $6,695.